Hey guys, Micah here with Electrek, and today we're doing a first ride on the new electric skateboard conversion kit from Unlimited, and I've got mine installed on a loaded deck. Let's check out this kit. Now, I've only had the Unlimited by Loaded board for a day or two so far, but I'm already very impressed with it. The Unlimited Cruiser kit comes with a hub motor and 2 removable batteries that are airline compliant. It can hit speeds up to 23 miles per hour or 37 kilometers per hour and has a range of around 13 miles or 21 kilometers. There are 4 riding modes that can be selected with the handheld remote. While you can get this kit as a standalone option to fit any trucks or deck you already have, I went with the option to have it pre-installed on a Loaded board's deck and chose the Icarus model. Unless you have your heart set on using a deck you already have, I definitely recommend a deck from Loaded boards. It's the company that Boosted used for many years before moving production in-house, and their boards are beautiful, high-quality decks with Paris trucks and orangutan wheels, and so you really get a premium electric skateboard. While this setup comes in at around $1,349 with the deck included, the Unlimited kit starts for as low as $769, depending which kit you go with. In my testing so far, I found the board to be incredibly comfortable for riding on uneven surfaces like brick and sidewalk cracks, which are usually a menace for many boards. And when you get back onto smooth bike lanes or streets, you'll be surfing up the pavement like a dream. I'm going to keep testing out this board so I can come back and give you a full review, since these are just my first thoughts for now. The board and the kit were just announced today, so make sure you go check them out, and you'll find a link in the description below this video to my article on Electrek, which has a lot more details about these awesome boards from Unlimited and Loaded. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you can check out all of Electrek's electric vehicle videos. We'll see you next time.